Bro, I was about to win. My KD will never recover.
Guys, my face is stuck. I can die like this.
The cheese didn't stretch, bro. This cheese meets.
When 5G fails, chaos follows.
You guys didn't use SynergyX, right?
Oh, there is a way to stop the buffer apocalypse.
Of course, I want you. 5G mmWave drop faster than Tatiana's followers.
Hey!
In a time when every second counts, when lag strikes without mercy, one mind saw beyond the static. SynergyX isn't just a tool to fix your connection. It's a new way of thinking about how we use technology, not just for speed, but for impact. By predicting network slowdowns before they happen, we reduce wasted energy, lighten the load on infrastructure, and make every bit of data travel more efficiently. We help cities stay connected on the move, powering mobility, work, learning, and life without interruption. From crowded metros to rural highways, we make sure the signal follows the people, not the other way around. Behind every smooth video call, every uninterrupted download, every responsive app is a system built to work smarter, cleaner, and more responsibly. Because when we connect better, we live better. And when we manage our networks wisely, we don't just improve technology, we help shape a more resilient, inclusive, and sustainable future.
So it's like signal time travel.
More like signal insurance with deep researches and less paperwork.
Do I still look good like 240p?
He's not a human. He speaks algorithm.
Do you think he's plugged in the matrix?
He's like the signal whisperer.
Ready to predict your 5G network? Explore smarter signal prediction now at SynergyX.com.